this is Sweet Pogs. If you don't recognize me, you probably recognize this. My sure shot rifle, very, very popular apparently. And I just want to set the record straight that this custom sight here is not a holographic. And I'll show you. If it were a holographic, that means there would be a lens, and that means I wouldn't be able to do this. So, based on that, we can safely assume that there is no lens there, and it's something completely different. And the reason I want to show you that is because I'm working on this, and the glue hasn't dried yet. Disgusting. Now what this originally comes from is one of these. You may recognize it. It's a Nerf laser sight. This one does have a lens, however, and demonstration of that lens is right here. So the lens that used to be in it, this has been removed. It's no longer part of the equation. And as soon as that sight is done, it's going to get glued right here. And you may recognize this. This is part of the CTA digital sniper rifle gun controller. The back end of it, the stock, is also waiting for the glue to dry right here. And that is going to fit in right. I'll get it like that. But for now, that's all I got. And when all these components are dried and able to be put together for a working product, I'll be painting it. Thank you.
Ready, sir. Move up. Stand by. On my go. Standing by.